the Asus ROG Strux G15 Advantage Edition. As a kick-ass, again, Asus has been showing us just how far AMD has come in the laptop space, serving up solid power and incredibly long battery life, and that's just with the processor. Imagine what an all-AMD system can do. With the Asus ROG Strux G15 Advantage Edition, priced between $1,549 to $1,699, the company is doing more than wondering, what if, instead of outfitting its latest version the G15 with an AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX CPU, plus a Radeon RX 6800M GPU. When I first looked at the Strux G15, I was ready to write off the design as just another Zephyrus clone. But upon closer inspection, I quickly changed my position. Yes, there's a massive backlit ROG emblem occupying the left side of the black aluminum alloy lid. When the laptop's knot on the sigil gleams in silvery chrome, the right side of the lid has small characters running horizontally, creating a funky triangle. Look closely and you'll see the letters spell out ROG over and over. And in case you were unaware that this is an AMD-powered system, the small company logo in the bottom right corner with a series of dates. The laptop's matte finish rebuffs most fingerprints, but I did manage to leave one or two smudges on the lid. But the fancy typography isn't the only thing that got my attention. The notebook has a bright red hinge cap along the left side of the vent that is practically screaming for you to look at it. That spot of gamer-centric finery is removable and can be swapped out for either the light silver or clear caps included in the box. Or, if you have a Shapeways 3D printer handy, you can make your own. The result? A kick-ass system that serves up heaping amounts of performance, serious longevity, over 10 hours of battery life, and a host of Asus and AMD branded utilities that really enhance the gaming experience for less than $2,000. Is it perfect? Opening the laptop reveals a full-size keyboard encased in the plastic deck. The keys glow in rainbow, enticing already eager fingers to engage. The hexagonal power button sits at the top right, above the vertical row of media keys. The keyboard deck follows the lade's aesthetic with a cadre of gray squares creating a triangle along the top right corner. The large touchpad just beneath the keyboard takes up most of the palm rest. Lining the front lip and part of the sides is an LED light bar that adds to the laptop's sparkling personality. 4 pounds, 14.1 by 10.8 by 1 inch, Strux G15 is a bit chunky and heavy compared to its competitors. In terms of weight, it's on a par with the Alienware M15R4, 14.2 by 10.9 by 0.7 to 0.8 inches, which tips the scale at an even 5 pounds. But the MSI GS66 Stealth, 14.2 by 9.7 by 0.7 inches, and Razer Blade 15 Advance Edition, 14 by 9.7 by 0.7 inches, are noticeably lighter at 4.6 and 4.4 pounds respectively. Asus ROG Strux G15 performance armed with a 3.3-GHz AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX processor with 16GB of RAM and a 512GB M.2 PCIe SSD, the Strux G15 took just about everything I threw at it. I launched 45 Google Chrome tabs, some of which were running TweetDeck, YouTube, Twitch, Google Docs and Sheets while watching an episode of Castlevania on Netflix. The laptop chugged along unbothered. The laptop also performed well on synthetic benchmarks, crushing the 7290 gaming laptop premium. The Blade 15 and its Intel Core i7-10875H processor only reached 6531. The Strux G15 cranked things up during the handbrake test, transcoding a 4K video to 1080p in a blazing 6 minutes and 57 seconds. It destroyed the 751 average as well as the times put up by the Alienware 707, Core i7-10870H CPU, Stealth 901, Core i7-10870H CPU, and Blade 15, 957. Unfortunately, the Strux G15's SSD dropped the ball on our file transfer test, only delivering a speed of 340.7 megabytes per second when duplicating 25 gigabytes worth of multimedia files. That number is well below the 895.4 Mbps average. The Blade 15 with its 1TB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD generated 890.2 Mbps while the Stealth's 1TB NVMe SSD reached 1050.6 Mbps. The Alienware with its 1TB SSD proved to be the fastest with a transfer rate of 1147 Mbps. All that work AMD has put into to make its chipsets more efficient is really paying off. The Strux G15's 90 WHR battery lasted 10 hours and 14 minutes on the laptop mag battery test, which consists of continuous web surfing over Wi-Fi at 150 nits of brightness. Now is that as long as the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14's EPYC 1132? No, but that's still pretty damned impressive for the likes of a gaming laptop. The G15 isn't perfect, the screen could be brighter and more vivid, and the SSD should definitely be faster. And would it kill you Asus to try to fit a webcam back into the picture? If power and a more vivid display are your most important priorities, I recommend checking out the $2,999 Razer Blade 15 Advance model. But if you want to take advantage of everything AMD has to offer, the Asus ROG Strux G15 Advantage Edition is the absolute way to go. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to SumScott and click the like button.